this is not supposed to be a speech, but just a welcome. We're doing this the fourth time now. It is Europeans under 40 meeting together, having social exchange, having a nice beer, nice music, nice food. That's basically what it is. If you are a newly elected member, you will find out that Brussels basically has a lot of boring receptions. This one doesn't belong to those. For those who are longer here, you know that you will have a fun night. No keynote speeches, no boring political speeches. It's basically that you get to know each other.